This is the cheapest full-sized keyboard you can buy on TikTok. This is the K98 full-sized gaming keyboard. And even though it is a membrane keyboard, its price is insane compared to everything you're getting. It comes with these shine-through keycaps all the way across the keyboard, which makes the RGB pop when you're using it in the dark. This keyboard is labeled as a silent keyboard, which is typical for membrane keyboards, and I honestly love how it sounds. Just listen. Yeah, for a keyboard under $30, this is actually a steal. This keyboard can also be wired, wireless, or connected via Bluetooth, and it comes with a volume wheel at the top right, as well as 2 stage flipped feet. I mean, for under $30, you literally cannot beat this. Now, this keyboard is usually a lot more than $30, but since it's the holidays, they managed to make it for a lot cheaper only for a few more days. If you only have $30 to spend on a full-sized keyboard, I would definitely grab this full-sized keyboard before it sells out. I left you that link below.